Hi everybody, I'm James Stavridis, the Dean of the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy, and I'm here with one of my absolute favorite faculty members, very dear friend, former academic dean of the Fletcher School, Ian Johnstone. We're going to talk about a new Center for International Law and Governance, which is a very exciting idea for the Fletcher School. Ian, you know, the school is named the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy. Why have we not already had a center? Why is now the right time finally to create this center?
We think the time is right because in part, everyone kind of understands that international law and institutions have been struggling to keep up with the pace of global change. And these days, the value of these institutions, value of governance mechanisms seems to be under question, challenged unlike ever before. So we think the moment is right to start exploring ways in which these governance institutions, international law, can contribute to meeting some of the big problems of the day.
So I think a lot of people love the idea. Boy, heart of the mission for Fletcher. What will happen at the center?
Yeah.
You know, kind of when you wake up in the morning and you are at the Center for International Law and Governance, what's happening?
Yeah, well, we're trying to do a few things. Certainly research is a big part of it, but it's going to be policy-oriented research. And the main vehicle is going to be an annual or maybe biannual conference on some topical issue. The first one's going to be in September 2018. The topic is cybersecurity, and specifically on how to protect civilian institutions, civilian infrastructure from politically motivated attacks, but during peacetime. So we're not talking about the laws of war or cyber attacks in the context of a conflict, but cyber operations which can be deeply disruptive outside of the context of war. Infrastructure attacks on electrical grids,
Exactly.
hacking think tanks, all sorts of things.
Yeah.
There's plenty of room to be thinking of new norms, new kinds of institutions, new ways of addressing these sorts of problems. And that's going to be the mission of the center. And we'll start with cybersecurity, and we'll move on from there. We're talking about something on infectious disease and the developments in the bio area in the future. We've been talking about something on migration. So issues where there are gaps in international law and governance, and where the Fletcher School and this sort of multidimensional approach we can bring to these gaps will make a difference.
Sounds great. Thank you so much for taking time to talk about this exciting new center, and I predict great things in the future.
Thank you, Jim.
Thanks, Ian. All the best.